So hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. So today I'm going to talk about how to speak English fluently and confidently. So if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you have to practice and keep patience. And I'm going to tell you the some tips and tricks you can follow to be fluent in English. So the first one is practice regularly. To learn any language, not English only, you have to practice regularly. You have to engage. Then you can learn quickly. So if you want to learn English, you have to speak English as much as possible. Even it is it is just a few words in a day, but you have to be continue and you have to practice on daily basis. The second thing, you have to listen actively. Whenever you listen anything, like when you listen English podcast, audiobooks, and conversation to improve your pronunciation and intonation. So you have to listen actively. You have to see. You have to notice that how they are pronouncing the words and how they are spelling the words and sentences. So whenever you have to listen actively. The second one is learn vocabulary. So it is so necessary. You have to expand your vocabulary. Can you increase or expand your vocabulary? If you want to increase or expand your vocabulary, you have to read books and articles and even flashcard. If you don't like to read books and you are not a book reader, you can just try to for example, where you are, you can see there is a lot of things and you can try to recall in English. If you are not able to recall, just you can use your phone and you can search the meaning. So it is the way to enhance your vocab. So you can use this thing even when you are in market or any place. You can, whatever you see the new things, you can try to find. Next one is focus on grammar. We know very well grammar is really so important. So we have to focus on grammar because understanding English grammar rules and practice using them in a context. So whenever you speak, try to use grammars, because grammar is really fundamental of any language. Grammar help us to read or write correctly. So we have to focus on grammars. Next one is imitate with a native speaker or imitate native speaker. So whenever you have a chance, so you can try to connect with native speaker. So in next video I will tell you how to connect with native speaker. You can visit on my channel. You can see I have talked with a lot of native speakers. So whenever you connect with native speaker, you observe how native speakers pronounce words, use idioms and structure sentences. So they speak very naturally. So you try to connect with native speakers to learn. Whenever you connect with native speaker, you can learn a lot of things. Even whenever I connect, I see they speak very naturally. Even they don't focus on grammar sometimes. So try to connect with or imitate with native speakers. Next one is join a language exchange. So join a language exchange means in a party or maybe a group. You can join in WhatsApp group and you can join in Telegram group. And maybe a Skype group, so where there is a lot of person, they are having a same mind, like they are learning language. So you can connect with co-learner, and when we connect with co-learner, you can see like you can practice, and whenever you have any kind of doubts or issue, you can connect with us. You can ask with co-learner, and you can help to co-learner. So really, it is a best platform to join in any language party or any language group, and you can find your partner whenever you are free. You can connect, and even you can use audio video calls. Next one is record yourself. So record your speech to identify areas for improvement. Whenever you have to, how can you identify your mistakes? If you want to identify your mistakes and your weak areas, so how can you find? So if you want to find your weak areas and you have to work on that, so first of all you have to record yourself. Whatever you read or whatever you have to say, just record yourself and try to listen those recordings, and you can find in which areas you have to work. If you seems like your pronunciation is not perfect, you can work on pronunciation. If your grammar is not perfect, you can work on grammar. So you have to record yourself. So the next thing is read aloud. When you read anything, even a book, article, newspaper, whatever you read, try to read aloud, because when you read aloud, simultaneously you read as well as you listen you listen. So so it will help. So read English text should allow it to practice pronunciation and fluency. Whenever you find your pronunciation is not perfect, so you can work on pronunciation. So whenever you read, try to read aloud. Next one is watch English media. So it is the best way to improve your English. Watch English shows, movies or videos with subtitle to improve your listening and speaking skills. So even nowadays I am used to watch English news. Even there is so many news channels that help you to improve your English. Even in some news channel in English Indian accent, so you can it will really help you a lot. So later on in next video I will tell you which channel you have to subscribe to watch new channels to improve your English. Next one is be confident. Confident is one of the best thing, you know, to be a beginner. Lot person they want to speak, but they can't speak. Even they have they have a knowledge of grammar, but even they can't speak. What is the reason? Because they don't have a confidence. So confidence play important role. Even you can say some beginner they can speak from the day one. So how? Because they have a confidence. They know that they are doing mistake, but you know, mistake means sign of the things you are doing something. So so don't hesitate. Just you have to speak. Even you have, if you are speaking broken English, no need to worry about that. You have to speak. So be confident and stay motivated always, you know, because English to learn English or any language, it is kind of a journey, not a destination. So you have to be confident. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speak with confidence. Even you know, some person they know very well grammars, they speak very well, but they speak very slow. So you know, people don't like to listen them. People like to listen those person they speak very you know, very confidence. Even they are doing mistake, it's okay. If they speak with confidence, people like to listen them. So whenever you speak, be confident. Next one is use positive self-talk. So you know, it is kind of a long journey. So you have to be stay motivated, and you have to be positive yourself. So encourage yourself with the positive affirmation like I can do it. So always you try to you know, be positive and use positive self-talk. Next one is take a course or get a tutor. If you have, you know, in such type of area, and if you want to take a course, you can take. Otherwise no need to take any kind of course. You can follow me. Even you can go follow any other content creator, YouTubers, they teach in YouTube. You can learn a lot of things, and without taking course, you can learn from free of cost on YouTube. So it will help you a lot of, and it also personalize your feedback. So really, next one is, you know, one thing you have to remember: the key to speak English confidently and fluently is consistent practice and exposure to the language. So stay motivated, keep learning, and goodbye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.